Good morning, this is Insurance Agent Adam Herndon, also known as your Insurance Tailor, and I would like to welcome you to my Tailor-Made Tip of the Week. Happy Tuesday, everybody. The sun is rising, the birds are chirping. I love this time of year for real, because after a long winter and rainy spring, I'm happy the summer is finally here. But I gotta be honest with you, after what I just experienced, I'm equally as happy that I made it here to work in one piece. No lie, as I was driving here, I saw at least 5 different drivers, more focused on sending a text message on their phone than paying attention to the road. Really? That's your priority? You'd rather send a text saying LOL or OMG rather than watching the road while driving 70 miles per hour on the freeway? And around a tight turn at that? I've done some research on this topic and I was shocked to discover that 5 seconds is the minimal amount of time a person's attention is taken away from the road when they're texting and driving. So if you're driving 55 miles per hour, this is the equivalent of driving the length of a football field without looking at the road. Let me break it down even further. So if a car with a family of 5 is in front of you and brakes suddenly, you won't have enough time to react and hit your own brakes in time before crashing into them. Ask yourself, do you really want that on your conscience? All because you couldn't wait to comment on a picture Mel tweeted out about what he ate for dinner last night? Seriously, folks, we gotta do better. According to a car and driver study, a driver's reaction time while reading and sending texts was worse than the driver who was legally drunk. The National Safety Council reports that in 2012 alone, there were over 1.5 million traffic accidents due to texting while driving. That just sounds crazy. So what does that have to do with insurance? As a result of all these accidents, a lot of states are now implementing laws that will result in tickets and points on your license if you're caught texting while driving. And it's no secret that people with bad driving records pay more for their auto insurance. Violations stay on your record for 3 years, and unfortunately there's no magical discount that can be applied to offset that charge. It is important to make sure you are proactive and understand your auto insurance coverages. Stop trying to save a few dollars a month and in turn risk losing thousands of dollars if an accident happens that you weren't even responsible for. No matter what some companies tell you, it is important to carry uninsured motorists, comprehensive, and personal injury protection coverages. If a person is careless enough to text and drive on a freeway, do you think more often than not that they'll stick around and see if you're okay if they cause an accident? And you know that's not happening if they're riding around with what? A suspended license and no auto insurance. You can't control the driving habits of others, but you can control the coverages on your policy. Make sure your auto coverage is tailor-made to fit your needs no matter what happens, so you won't have to guess if you'll be covered. I'm Insurance Agent Adam Herndon, and that's my tailor-made tip of the week.